Hello, this is Bailey here with Dom Restoration and Roofing. I am doing a repair attempt on the front slope of Banu Akan's home. Requested by insurance. Insurance said the roof is repairable. I'm here to attempt these repairs and see if they will work. Today I'll be using a typical hammer as well as the green snake tool to attempt these repairs. And let me get started. Alright, so I need to check for nails here. We got one nail right here. Should be all. Alright, shingle has been removed. This shingle is already damaged here, so we're going to be ignoring that. We're just looking at these two rows here. See a lot of granular loss happening. All right, now I will be installing new nails. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of granular loss on the shingle here. If you guys can see that. Shingle's got a crack running on it. No, it was not there at the beginning. You'll be able to rewind and look at that guy. We can also see, compared to the shingle next to it, how much darker it is on the top. Come on. My apologies. Okay. Again, seeing a large amount of granule loss right here. See a line. Anyways, we shall continue the nailing process. All right, shingles in place. We already have damage from this installation here. A couple more nails were required, but we'll just go ahead and show you the new damages. The shingle repair has failed. There's a running crack on the top of both of these shingles. This one is more apparent. You can see the differentiation in color and crack, visible crack. Here again, differentiation in color and clear crack on the top. So the front slope has failed. Plus 2 creases.